Okay, for my last YouTube video, one of my friends said to do B, which was to make a toothpick disappear. So I'm gonna do that. And for this video, I'm gonna say here that the options, so vote, comment, put your vote in your comment or whatever, and tell me if you want A, I could do a card trick, or A, I could do a dome card trick, B, I could lip sync to a song that you guys choose, or C, I could do a cool card trick. So yeah, vote, rate 5 stars, subscribe me. Okay, back to the trick. Get your toothpick. Okay. Before we do this, let me show you that there is nothing here to do, like to do anything. So I'll put my hand up to show you that it's not like loose string or something. Okay, here we go. See, I got it back. Ready? Again, final time. Okay, see the toothpick? Okay, so yeah, subscribe me, and I'll tell you how to do this trick. And rate this, I need at least 10 ratings, and all of them have to be 5 stars. So when I see 10 ratings and I see 5 stars, or over 10, that would be good too, and still 5 stars, then I'll show you how to do this trick. But you have to rate my other video, just the magic trick by Poseidon's part 1, also 5 stars, at least 10 people, and at least 10 ratings, and I'll show you how to do that magic trick. And so subscribe, so yeah, and say you subscribed, because then I'll subscribe back. Okay, goodbye.